In this video, I'll show you how you can start selling digital products, and I'll also show you one of my favorite new tools for making sales on social media, which is called Koji. They are a free platform with hundreds of pre-made templates that make it super easy to upload and sell your online products. I'll be showing you guys exactly how to use their platform, and if you want to follow along, I'll drop a link to them in the description below. Now, I've created many of my own digital products in the past, and I can say that it can be super lucrative when done right. So with all that being said, let's get started. Okay, so obviously the first step, you guys, is to create a digital product. Now, the reason why I'm so bullish on digital products is that there are little to no product fulfillment costs. It's also super easy to scale, and there is little to no startup cost, which is probably the best part, right? You guys can literally start selling digital products for free. But yeah, basically all you need to do is figure out how you can create value for a specific group of people in the form of an online product, whether that can be through a course, membership, ebook, template, whatever else. What I recommend for most people that are starting off with creating a digital product is first identify what you want to sell. So a lot of you guys watching this probably have some really specific knowledge that you guys can package up into some type of course. And when it comes to creating a course, there's different ways you guys can do it. You guys can use a platform like Kajabi, Thinkific, Teachable, Circle. Really, the list is endless. Courses are a bigger investment of time for sure, but of course you guys can also create digital products like PDFs and templates. For PDFs, there are so many different ways you guys can do that. You guys could use, for example, Canva. They are a great platform that I personally use to create a lot of my PDFs. And yeah, just get creative with this, you guys. Anything digital can be turned into a digital product to sell, of course. For example, if you're a photographer or videographer, you could sell LUTs, you could sell color presets, you could sell PDFs on how to start a photography business, and this can be applied to literally any niche out there. This video is more focused on how you guys can actually sell the products after you've made them. And if you guys want some more ideas on what products you can sell that are digital, I'll actually link below a video I made before. That'll really help you guys brainstorm if you have not yet got to that part. So step 2 is delivering and selling your product. Now, there are tons of people that try creating a digital product, but they don't do anything to actually market it and make it known so that it can actually sell. Now, the easiest way for anyone to market with $0 is social media, using short form platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, which basically can help you reach millions of people a lot easier than long form. And the reason is because it costs literally $0 to post a TikTok, and that has a lot more authenticity behind it, making it possible to get a ton of organic traffic. Now, if you guys actually do create a full-on course, I recommend using a course platform to actually sell that. For example, you could use something like Kajabi or Thinkific or Teachable. Those are really great platforms that make the whole learning process a lot more enjoyable for your students. If you're selling ebooks, of course, you can use things like Gumroad. You can list digital products on those websites we just talked about, but it might not be the best option for you if you're just getting started. This requires time and experience in building and optimizing landing pages using platforms like Shopify and Kajabi. What I will say is that a better place to sell is directly through your social media channels, because that's where you're probably going to get the most outreach. And yeah, that's basically the main reason why I use Koji. It's free to set up and add digital products, really easy to use with ready-made product templates to choose from, and it's specifically built for making sales on social media, which, like I said, is the best way to get customers. So the first thing you're going to want to do is click on the link down below. It's going to take you to Koji, and from there you'll be able to create your free account. Now, I'm in my account right now. I'm going to go to browse templates, and here's where I'm going to see all the different things that I can actually sell and monetize through my audience. One of the main benefits about Koji is that they have so many pre-built templates. And yeah, that just basically means that you don't need to have a lot of technical knowledge when it comes to building out websites, landing pages, all that stuff. Instead, all the stuff is already built here for you. And as I'll show you guys momentarily, it's super easy to start selling. So I'm going to browse through here and show you guys some of the things you guys can sell. Of course, this video is focused on digital products, but as you guys can see, you can get even more specific with the types of things you're selling. You can sell workouts, actual physical products. You can also actually collect donations. You can actually engage with your audience by doing video requests. You guys can do AMAs. You guys can also do affiliate marketing, and you can use Koji to build up your own audience. So basically, you guys can collect emails through them, do giveaways, and a bunch of other things. The really great thing is that Koji is very optimized to work with social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. So let me show you guys how you can start selling a digital product in just a few minutes. So what I'm going to do is I'll click view right here, and what I'm going to do is click configure. From here, I'll be able to select a digital file storefront. They have a bunch of different ones to choose from. Just for this video, I'll go with the basic one, and I'll click next. So let's name it Charlie Chang's Store. We'll skip the description for now, as well as the banner image, but I do recommend doing that for your own store. So I'll click next here, and then we'll click publish. So bam, now our store is live. We have this link that we can actually copy and start posting on our social media platforms. And what I'm gonna do is I'll come here, and let's say we want to start adding our first first digital file to sell. What I'll do is I'll click add digital file. Let's name this, for example, personal finance PDF. Let's add an image. I made this previously, and then what I'm gonna do is I'll click file upload, add file. We'll choose the PDF that you create. I'll be able to set my payment amount, so the cost of this product. Let's say we want to sell it for $15. You guys can also give it away for free with an email signup, so that's also a great way to build up your email list. And bam, our digital product is instantly live and people can start buying it right away. If I click on this product, it's going to bring me to the page and people will be able to click buy now and buy that product immediately. You can also just drop your link in an Instagram story or in any Twitter or Facebook post. Basically anywhere a link can be added and clicked. So as you guys can see, it really reduces the number of steps that your audience needs to take to purchase your digital products. And that, you guys, is huge when it comes to actually converting. As you guys saw, they also accept Apple Pay as well as really easy credit card payments. And yeah, an easy checkout like that definitely leads to more sales. So yeah, I just really encourage you guys to go through Koji, look at all the different things that you guys can sell, and start brainstorming how you can effectively monetize and create digital products that give your audience a lot of value. Creating that digital storefront was just one of many different things you guys can do. And I guarantee you, if you have an audience and you're not doing something like this, you're missing out on a lot of potential revenue. So here's an example of a creator that has done really well with Koji. This is their Koji page, and if you guys come here and click on workbooks, you guys can see they have a ton of different these PDFs that you guys can buy. And so let's say I want to purchase this one right here. I'll click on this. We'll be able to learn more about this actual product, and then we'll be able to add to cart. So bam, super easy, and it really is creating the fastest path from your social media accounts to the actual checkout process. Not only that, but it also creates so many different ways you guys can monetize, many of which you probably have not even thought about. So yeah, if you guys haven't followed along yet, then I definitely recommend you guys click on that link down below, get started with Koji, because it really is the best way for any beginner to start monetizing their audience through their social media platforms. Marketing really is the most important thing when it comes to selling digital products successfully, and with Koji, they just make it that much simpler. So yeah, that's basically how you start selling digital products step by step by using your social media accounts. And yeah, I want to leave you guys with this last message and just tell you, if you guys have an audience or you're planning on building one, the best way to start getting paid is definitely by creating digital products that you own yourself, that you can sell to your audience. Once you start making passive income like that, you really can't go back. So yeah, hopefully you guys found this video helpful. Feel free to reference this video at any point. I know we covered a lot of different things. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed it, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe for more content just like this. I make a ton of videos about personal finance, entrepreneurship, and investing. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.